Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a newly developed 2090 square feet bungalow residential building with land area of approximately 10,488 square feet. This house is located on Coombs Close, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. The building consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 of which is ensuite. There is closed closet and another bathroom with bath, shower stall, and other sanitary convenience. There is also a single carport with electronic shutter, a front porch, an open concept living, dining, and kitchen area with Korean countertop and hardwood cupboards. Other features includes a laundry room, a pantry, and a rear porch. Guys, let's take a look at this newly built house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 31 million or US $201.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.